I finished the coast to coast walk and my next stop is London, and I need to get to Scarborough. And yeah, 17 miles now isn't a big deal to walk, but I'm going to use this as an opportunity to talk about the transit system. Let's go take the bus. I'm going to be taking the X93, and one cool thing is right at the bus terminal there's a QR code where you can live track where the bus is at. Well, that went surprisingly well. I did get on the bus. It was a super clean bus, super quiet. And yeah, now I need to go find Scarborough Station and find my train. Very pretty train station. Made it to York. Now I gotta find platform 3 to get to London. Well, that was fairly easy. Now I got about an 18-minute wait, and then I should be on my way to London. Okay, I successfully navigated the train system, got a little bit of a nap in on that, and yeah, I am now in London. Next, I'm looking for the 63, which should get me close to where I'm staying. I'm actually staying above a pub. Like most things, once you do it once, it's easy, but yeah, I got on the wrong bus. I think this is the stop I'm supposed to be at, and yeah, much better views. Okay, so that wasn't too bad to navigate once I found the right stop. Now let me go see if I can find my Airbnb. There's the stage door, it looks like the place.